making this video for anybody that was silly enough to buy a 914 thinking that, oh, it's not that much trouble. So here we go. Let's switch it around so you can see the pedal cluster that I'm attempting to pull out, and hoping I don't break half the bolts because they're rusted like nobody's business. And there they are, see? That rusted one over here, and then you have another rusted one over there. Not to mention whatever's left of this pedal's rusted bolt here. So we'll try to do this right now. I don't know about holding this camera the whole time, but you know, it is what it is. I'll put the socket on it and see what happens. Now I'm using a very big socket, as you could tell, because I don't want to get my hands messed up in case it breaks, which is not that uncommon when you're playing with very rusted stuff. Oh my goodness, it's moving. Yay, so there's half the battle right there. So now there are two nuts to take off, or bolts to take off, so to speak, up on the top, and there are two on the bottom. Right now we're doing the ones on the top. As you can see, I loosened it up, and that orange thing that looks like a bolt, well, that is the bolt. So let's move the pedal out of the way a little bit, and you see over there it is right there. Right there is the other bolt, and yes, you have to clean them. So let me do that real quick. Not a professional YouTuber. This is my part. Alright, so we're back, but we're not done yet. This is a selfless plug for Snap-on. Not that they're paying me any money or anything, but if you get a chance, buy Snap-on. I'm telling you, it makes a difference. So, that in Milwaukee. Alright, so I like to do things the easy way, so here we go. I went and got my electric wrench, so I don't have to spend all week. Booyah, done, see? And did it come out? Yep, it's out. And booyah. Now, I would not recommend breaking bolts with this, even though it is strong enough to break the bolts for you, because simply you can break the bolt that it's connected to. So fortunately, these are nuts, and you see them right there. There goes one of them, and there's the other one on the ground. That's very simply to do. And if you want to collect everything, you get one of them little magnets from Harbor Freight, and it picks up everything, and voila. We are done with the inside of trying to remove the cluster pedal. Yes, there are other things I have to take off, but right now I'm just concerned with the bolt. When you do take this off, however, let me remind people, you probably want to have it up on blocks. That way the car don't move, and make sure the transmission, the stick, is in neutral, so you don't have to remember what gear it was in when you took it off. Alright, this is the metal magnet tool I was speaking of from Harbor Freight. But there is a drawback to using this and doing what I'm doing, is that if you do rub it around a bunch of rust, I guarantee you're going to pick up rust. So let's get all of our screws and stuff that we took apart. You turn it around in a circle, and it pretty much cleans out what you wanted. And there you have it, both the bolts. See, there they are. Along with anything else that's rusty underneath there. And oddly enough, there was no washer. Oh no, the washers are still connected. Oh, let me go back and pry those off with the same screwdriver that we were cleaning with earlier. So we can undo those. Yeah, there goes one. Okay. I personally don't usually take them off. I just loosen them up because it's a fight that I don't have to deal with. Because once you drop this down, The bolts will go through the floor, and then obviously you pull on it a little bit from underneath, and you don't have to worry about the washers. All right.